Good morning, students. In the last class, you learned pronoun. What is pronoun? Yes, pronoun is a word. It is used in the place of noun. Okay. Yes, what are the pronouns are there? I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are called what? Pronouns. Okay. Even I hope you learned how to use the pronouns in your sentence. In which moment, at what time you have to use the pronouns. Already you learned in the previous class. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದವು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಥರನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. In Kannada, what you call Nama Visheshana. In English, adjective. Let's see what is adjective. What is the meaning of adjective? You want how to write the adjective examples. All these things you are going to learn in this class. Okay. See here. It describes a noun or a pronoun. See here, it describes, the adjective word describes what? A noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun. It's describe or qualify. Describe or qualify a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪದ ನಾಮಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವನಾಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಯಾವ ಪದ ನಾಮಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವನಾಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿಚ್ ವರ್ಡ್ describe a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. That is called what? Adjective. Okay, let us see the examples. Rose is beautiful. He is poor. He is poor. She is wise. She is wise. Okay, she is wise. Okay, they are good. She is wise. He is poor. Rose is beautiful. Just look here. Tiger is cruel. Tiger is cruel. Look here. Here, what is the adjective word? You have to know first. What are the adjective words? Here, first example. Look at the first example. What is the first example is there? Rose is beautiful. So rose is beautiful. So in a sentence, which is noun? What is the noun is there? Yes, rose. Rose is a noun. So when rose is noun, another word is there. What is that? Yes, of course, rose is noun. Another word is there. That is what? Yes, it is called an adjective. It is called what? Adjective. Yes, rose is beautiful. ಹೂವು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೂವು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗುಲಾಬಿ, ರೋಸ್, ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಹೂವು, ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನೋ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರೋಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೋಸ್. ರೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೌನ್. Rose is a noun. So beautiful is a adjective word. It describe about this thing. It means rose. Rose is a beautiful. Rose is a noun. Rose is a noun. Let's come to the second example. He is poor. Yes, he is a poor. It means that word telling about his condition. That word describe his condition. How? How he is poor or rich or kind. Is it right? So he is a poor. What is the adjective word? Let us see the second example. He is a poor. He is a poor. ಅವನ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೂವರ್. ಪೂವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಡವ. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೂವರ್, ಅವನು ಬಡವ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ದಿ person. It means he. It is noun or pronoun. He is a pronoun. Okay. Poor describe the pronoun. It means he. So then she is wise. She is wise. Avಳು ಶಾನೆ ಅದಾಳ. Yes, of course she is wise. She is a wise girl. Yes. Here wise. Wise is what? Adjective. It describe about she. She means a pronoun. She means a pronoun. Yes, they are good. Or cholo adare. Yes, of course they are good people. They are good people. Here good. Good is a adjective word. It describe about they. It means pronoun. Then tiger is a cruel. Cruel ಕ್ರೂರವಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, tiger is a cruel. Or pig is a dirty animal. Pig is a dirty animal. So here cruel is a adjective word. It describe about a tiger. Tiger is a noun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೋಸ್, he, she, they, tiger ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ noun or pronoun. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಪೂವರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್, ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್. All these are called adjectives. All these called what? Adjective. ಯಾವ ಪದ ನಾಮಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವನಾಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ adjective. We are calling what? Adjective. Yes, Rose is beautiful. He is poor. She is wise. They are good. Tiger is a cruel. Okay, if you want to write tiger is a cruel animal, you have to add. Right? They are good people. You may add. Okay, she is a wise girl. You may add. She is a poor man. As rose is a beautiful flower. If you add, no problem. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗ ಬರೆದ್ರು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, let's see some more example. Charlie got his dangerous place. See here, Charmudi Ghat. When you go to Dharmasthala at the moment, you may, yes, on the way Charmudi Ghat is there. Charmudi Ghat is dangerous place. What type of place that is a dangerous place? Here, what is adjective? Dangerous. It describe about Charmudi Ghat. That is noun. Charmudi Ghat. Charmudi. Okay. Yes. Kiran is a tall boy. Kiran is a tall boy. See here. Kiran is what type of boy here? Tall boy. What type of boy he was? What kind of boy he is? A tall boy. So here tall. Tall is describe about Kiran. Tall ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತರ. Okay. She is a kind woman. She is a kind woman. ಅವಳು ಕರ್ಣ ಮಹಿಳೆ, ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆ. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ಕರುಣೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆ. ಸೊ ಕೈಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಶಿ. She, that is what? Noun or pronoun? That is a noun. Is it noun? No, that is a pronoun. That is what? A pronoun. Okay. Is a brilliant student. See here. He is a brilliant student. He is a brilliant student. So according to you, what is adjective word? What is adjective word? Brilliant. Brilliant is adjective word. It describes about he. He, that is a pronoun. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes, then the sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. Okay, sun is very hot. Here hot. Hot is the adjective word. It describes about the sun. Okay. Asan is a cool place. Asan is a cool place. Yes, cool. Cool ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಂಪು. Okay, cool ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು? Adjective word. ಇದು ಎದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸನ ಏನದು? Noun or pronoun? What is that? That is a noun. Asan, name of the place, na? That is a noun. Is it understand? Okay. Then elephant is a big animal. Elephant is a big animal. Of course, everyone agree. Elephant, what type of animal? That is a big animal. But the eyes are small. But the body is very big. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದಪ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್? Big. Big is the adjective word. So it describes about what? Elephant. It describes about elephant. Elephant, that is what? Noun. Pig is dirty animal. Pig is dirty animal. ಹೊಲಸು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ಹೊಲಸು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಅಂತ. ಡರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಲಸು. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದು. Do you see anywhere the pig is clean? No, he always dirty animal. So here pig is dirty animal. So dirty is a adjective word. It describes about what? Pig. Pig, that is what? Noun or pronoun or verb? What is that? Yes, that is a adjective. Sorry, pig, that is a noun. That is a adjective. Okay, is it understand? I hope you understood very well. Write some more words, some adjective words. Write down some adjective words. Okay, clever, okay, tall, big, small, short, okay, active, dangerous. Just look that, dangerous, cold, hot, rich, poor, okay, fat, thin, okay, bad, good, bad, good, okay, old, young, beautiful, okay, honest, okay, popular, famous, famous, difficult, difficult, okay, easy. See here, all these, look this. All these are adjective words. All these are what are adjective words. Clever, shane, buddhivanta. Okay. Tall, yatra. Yatra is a noun. He is a tall boy. Yes, pig. Sorry, big. Elephant is a big animal. Yes, small. Huh? Sparrow is a small bird. Okay. Short. He is short. He is short person. He is a short person. Then active. He is a active boy. He is a active boy. Then dangerous. Yes, that place is dangerous. That place is dangerous. It means you take any place. Dangerous. Otherwise, he is dangerous fellow. He is a dangerous fellow. Then cold. Yes, weather is very cold. Weather is very cold. Then hot. Sun is very hot. Rich. He is a rich person. Poor. She is a poor lady. Fat. He is a fat boy. Thin. Yes, she is a thin. She is a thin girl. Then bad. Yes, he is bad. He is a bad girl. So then, good. He is a good boy. He is a good student. Okay, then old. Yes, this city is old. This city is old. Then young. He is a young boy. He is a young boy. Yes, beautiful. The place is beautiful. The rose is beautiful. Rabbit is beautiful. Whatever you write. Okay. Honest. He is an honest boy. She is an honest girl. Is it right? Then popular. Popular. Yes, he is a popular actor. He is a popular actress. Sorry, he is a popular actor. She is a popular actress. Anna. Then famous. Yes, Dharmasala is famous. Dharmasala is a famous place. Okay, difficult. The sum is difficult. Yes, problem is difficult. Okay, then easy. Yes, it's very easy. It's very easy. Is it understand? These are called what? Adjective words. Even adjective forms also there. For example, you have to write clever, cleverer, and cleverest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Beautiful, more beautiful than most beautiful. Okay. Yes, these are called adjective forms. It means positive degree, comparative degree, then this is a superlative degree. Yes, in the next class we will discuss about adjective forms. So, homework. Write 15 examples. Write 15 examples by using these are the adjective words. You take any one adjective word. Just you have to write 15 examples. Okay, it is the homework. Write 15 examples by using these are the adjectives. Okay. Is it understand? Fine. I hope you learnt very well the adjective, how to write adjective, what is the meaning of adjective, all the things maybe you understood very well. Okay, see you in the next class. Don't forget to complete the homework. You have to finish that. Okay, see you in the next class.